Hi, want to know how to manage display settings on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our screen and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named display and brightness. Here, first thing that we got is color scheme. We got here light mode and also dark mode. But remember that the dark mode is more battery saving than the light mode because the light mode is getting too much LED lights on your screen involved into the colors. So next thing that we got here is dark mode options. We got options as switch to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and also individual apps where you would like to enable the dark mode. Let's move on. Next thing that we got here is screen brightness, which we can adjust manually with the help of our finger. If we will put our finger on this line and move it to the right side, the screen will become more intensive, and if we will move our finger to the left side, the brightness will be reduced. Here we also got these two settings, which is auto brightness and sunlight mode. If we will enable auto brightness, the sunlight mode will become unavailable, but the auto brightness is adjusting the brightness of your screen automatically based on your environment. So let's disable it. Now we can take a look on the sunlight mode, which will make your screen a little bit more brighter if your phone will notice that you are under a sunlight. So let's disable it and move on. Next thing that we got here is color scheme. Here we got different color schemes for the color on your screen. So as you can see, this is vivid, this is saturated, and this is standard. You can experiment by yourself and find the most perfect color for your phone. And here we also got color temperature, which we can choose from these three, which is default, warm and cool, or set our custom by moving our white circle along this color scheme, and you can see how the colors changes. So let's put it back on the default and move on. Next thing that we got here is a reading mode, and if we will enable it, here we got two options to choose from, classic or paper. And on both of these you can notice how the screen of my phone has become more yellowish and reducing the blue colors. That's because when you're reading, your eyes are getting tired from the blue or just cool colors, and the yellowish screen should save it. And also here we got schedule for the reading mode. For example, if you read every evening, you can set it right here. So let's disable both of these and move on. Next thing that we got here is refresh rate of our screen. We got here two options, which is standard and maximum. Here on these two demonstrations you can see the difference between 120 Hz and 60 Hz. The standard one is more good if you think that your phone battery is not lasting too long, and the maximum if you would like to get everything more smoother and just good to see. So let's move on to the next thing. This is font. By clicking on it, we will get to these special applications where you'll be able to find a lot of new interesting fonts for your phone. And if we will go back here, we also got font settings. As you can see, I got custom font that I have downloaded in that application that I just showed you. And here we also got options to choose the size of the font from XXS up to XXL. And this is it. Also on some fonts you'd be able to choose, for example, if you would like to adjust it to bold font or anything else, but this is it how it looks. And this is it. The display settings have ended, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.